it's Miss Haspert and Miss Runion, and we're at the Hoover Dam.
Hey guys, today we're going to read a book to you called Swimming by Lio Lionni, and this book is very special to us because it's from Mrs. Hutchings, who just retired this year, and she gave it to us as a gift, so we can't wait to read it to you.
Swimmy by Lio Lionni. One day, a tuna fish, swift, fierce, and very hungry, came darting through the waves. In one gulp, he swallowed all the little red fish. Only Swimmy escaped. He swam away in the deep, wet world. He was scared, lonely, and very sad. But the sea was full of wonderful creatures. As he swam from marvel to marvel, Swimmy was happy again. He saw a Medusa made of rainbow jelly, a lobster who walked about like a water-moving machine, strange fish pulled by an invisible thread, a forest of seaweeds growing from sugar candy rocks,
An eel whose tail was almost too far away to remember, and sea anemones who looked like pink palm trees swaying in the wind. Then, hidden in the dark shade of rocks and weeds, he saw a school of little fish, just like his own. "Let's go and swim and play and see things," he said happily. "We can't," said the little red fish. "The big fish will eat us all." "But you can't just lie there," said Swimmy. "We must think of something." Swimmy thought and thought and thought. Then suddenly he said, "I have it! We are going to swim all together like the biggest fish in the sea." He taught them to swim close together, each in his own place. And when they had learned to swim like one giant fish, he said, "I'll be the eye." Wow.
Very awesome. Very beautiful.
And so they swam in the cool morning water and in the midday sun and chased the big fish away. The end. Thanks for listening.
Gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
Bye, guys.